What's up, guys? I'm back with another video for you all. As you may know, I picked up a new tool called a Knobby Knife, and what it is, pretty much, it's been around for a while, but you don't hear too much about it. Best way to describe it is picture a chisel where the blade is super sharp and it gets up to about 500 degrees, and you use that to just melt through rubber. It's pretty much as a tool for when your knobbies on your bike get rounded off. Just plug it in, let it sit for 10 minutes. The blade heats up to about 500 degrees. And you just put it on the lip of the knob, push and scoop the rubber out. And what it does is it cuts away that rounded portion of the knob, leaves you a nice sharp edge. So when you go ride, you get a nice fresh edge and you got good traction. You can do this, they say, about 2 to 3 times. So you figure it saves you from buying 3 tires instead of riding your tire and just dealing with it with horrible traction because you don't want to go fork the money for a new tire yet. Knobby Knife, sharpen the knobs real quick, and there you go. It's like you got a new tire again, and it's good for about 3 more times. Trick is just don't cut too much rubber off. That's what a mistake a lot of people do. You just want to cut a thin layer and just barely sharpen that knob. Now, in this video today, that's exactly what I'll be doing. You'll watch me do my tire right here on my XCW 300, and you can see how quick and easy it is. They say if you're a beginner, it can take about 45 minutes to an hour. Once you get the hang of it, you can knock out a tire in maybe 20-25 minutes. So it just comes with practice. So, oh yeah, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I almost forgot. Don't want to forget that because it helps my channel and I greatly appreciate it. And without too much more talking, without further ado, let's get to the video now. Alright guys, so as you can see here, got the Knobby Knife. Pretty much it's got its own little heating element here. The blade is super sharp. Gets up to 500 degrees, it says. I'm not gonna touch it and find out. So I'm just gonna show you right here on this knob. I don't know if I'll do these side knobs because they're pretty good. I'll just do these 3 center ones because they're pretty rough. So start right here. Just go right at the corner. You don't gotta push hard, just get enough rubber, and then once you get 3/4 down, you scoop it just like that. And as you can see, got that sharp edge right there. Just get a little push, start scooping right there. Push, scoop. There we go. This one. There we go. That one I took a little too much off, but you get the gist of it. See, sharpens it up. You start to scoop at the bottom. Just a little, straight down, start to scoop, just like that. And there we go. So I'm gonna finish this tire up and show you what it got. Show you guys. I can't talk today. I'm gonna finish this tire up and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. guys, as you can see, I already finished this whole tire. Just want to get this one. Alright guys, as you can see, I already finished this whole tire. Like I said, I wasn't going to do the very side knobs because they already look good. So I did the 3 center knobs, and I'll show you. Did the whole tire, didn't miss none. And the trick is you just want to take a thin layer out and just barely sharpen the knobs. Like you see here, I just took a thin layer. You see these? Like I barely took anything off. You're just taking like the outer thin, like a paper slice layer dang near right before the knob where it rounds, just to get some more bite. Alright guys, that was all there was to it. As you can see, I was able to do the whole rear tire, freshen up the knobs in less than 20 minutes, and now I practically got a brand new tire to go shred some trails with and not worry about traction. The Knobby Knife, you can buy, it was like $64.99, 65 bucks, and it saves you buying 2 or 3 more tires. So the value was there for me. I bought it. I got time. Literally 20 minutes for a new tire. It takes longer than that to put a new tire on, so that was my reasoning. So hopefully I was able to show you a trick. You guys can save some money, save some tires. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Show this video to a friend that might want to save some money on tires. Alright, till next time. Thanks guys.